In this video, I'm going to teach you how to vote in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here into this page. So let's proceed to click onto this right here. Or if you already have a Microsoft account for your OneDrive, Office, as well as Microsoft Word, you can proceed to click onto this sign in option. On my case, I already have it, so let's just proceed to actually sign in. Now I have right here my pages. I want to actually vote, so let's head over to a page. And then onto this part, let's proceed to add right here a voting system. You can click onto this plus icon just beside the blank page. And then after that, scroll down and look for the vote option. We have in here the templates. We have our voting table, so let's click onto this right here. Here we have the idea, the pros and cons, as well as the votes for this. We can just input right here the idea. For example, let's input cafe, input restaurant for the second choice, and just list the pros and cons. And you can click onto this right here in order to see who voted for what. And you can just click on this in order to vote from there successfully. So if you actually share this particular page with other people, they can actually add new ideas, change right here, and also vote on specific things that we have right there. You can also click on this right here in order to track your vote and vote for another option and in there you can see in here by clicking on the alt down you can see who actually voted for a particular choice. So you can head over and use this voting table for every need that you have on your actual team. So with this, decision making can be more efficient. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need on Microsoft Loop.